Hello everyone, and welcome to a new IrisBG tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to record the status and track the history of the items in your collection. In previous videos, you have learned the basics of the accession screen and searching. If you haven't already seen these, I recommend that you do that before you come back to watch this. An accession item can go through many stages after its initial inclusion to the collection. It can be planted out on a specific location, it can be moved, inspected, and it may die. I want to check the information we have recorded on a specific plant in my collection. Since I know the accession number 1982-0762, I'll write it here in Express Search and press Enter to search for it. The plant I want to look at had the accession number 1982-0762/2. The last number indicates the item number. To find it, I open up the Items tab. You can see the suffix here, and all the information about this item here on the right in the Item Properties pane. I know that this plant has died, but here in the status field, I can see that it has the status inspected, and this green dot also indicates that this is a living plant. In order to update the status to dead, find the status dropdown and select dead. I'm also adding my name in the person field, and that this was discovered today in the date field. You can either type the full date, month and year, or just the year. To quickly get the current date, you can use the date separator. To update this record, click Save. In the status line down here, I can tell that the save is completed. Now that we updated the status of this item, IrisBG automatically recorded a change in item history. Expand the history list by clicking on the small plus. Here I can see what has happened to this plant previously. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.